Bringing a new puppy home is a joyous occasion. The excitement of a new furry family member fills the air, and everyone is eager to shower the little one with love and attention. Tiny paws, wagging tails, and endless puppy breath fill our lives with love. These moments are precious and create lasting memories. However, amidst all the fun and affection, there lies an essential responsibility that every new puppy owner must undertake. But alongside the cuteness comes a crucial task: potty training. This process is fundamental in ensuring that your home remains clean and that your puppy learns the appropriate places to relieve themselves. It's a step that requires patience, consistency, and understanding. Teaching your puppy where to eliminate is not just about a clean home. It's about instilling good habits that will last a lifetime. A well-trained puppy is less likely to have accidents, which means less stress for both the puppy and the owner. It's about building a strong bond based on understanding and communication. When you take the time to train your puppy, you are also teaching them to trust you. This trust is the foundation of a healthy and happy relationship. You see, a well-trained puppy is a confident puppy. Confidence in a puppy translates to better behavior and a more enjoyable companionship. They understand what is expected of them and are eager to please. When they know what's expected, they feel secure. This security is crucial for their overall well-being. A secure puppy is less likely to develop anxiety or fear-based behaviors. This security translates to a happier, more relaxed dog in the long run. A relaxed dog is more likely to engage in positive interactions and enjoy their time with you. Potty training also prevents potential behavioral issues. By setting clear boundaries and expectations, you are guiding your puppy towards good behavior. This guidance helps them understand what is acceptable and what is not. Dogs often feel stressed when they have accidents. This stress can manifest in various ways, such as hiding, whining, or even becoming aggressive. It's important to address these issues early on to prevent them from becoming ingrained habits. And this stress can lead to unwanted behaviors. Chewing furniture, excessive barking, and other destructive actions are often signs of a stressed or anxious dog. Proper potty training can help mitigate these issues. Finally, successful potty training makes life easier for both you and your furry friend. It creates a harmonious living environment where both you and your puppy can thrive. The sense of accomplishment you feel when your puppy successfully follows their potty routine is unmatched. It allows for more freedom and enjoyable experiences together. Imagine the joy of taking your well-trained puppy to the park, knowing they will behave appropriately. These moments of freedom and fun are the rewards of diligent potty training. Puppies, like babies, need to go potty frequently. This is because their small bladders and developing muscles make it difficult for them to hold it for long periods of time. Their small bladders and developing muscles make it difficult to hold it for long. As a result, you might find yourself taking your puppy out several times a day, especially after meals, playtime, and naps. A good rule of thumb is that puppies can hold their bladder for about 1 hour for every month of age. So, if you have a 2-month-old puppy, expect to take them out every 2 hours. So, a 3-month-old puppy can generally hold it for about 3 hours. However, this is just a guideline, and some puppies may need to go out more frequently. However, every puppy is different. Factors such as breed, size, and individual metabolism can influence their potty needs. For instance, smaller breeds often have faster metabolisms and may need to go out more frequently than larger breeds. Breed, size, and individual metabolism can influence their potty needs. It's important to observe your puppy and learn their specific patterns and signals. Pay close attention to your puppy's cues and patterns. Common signs that your puppy needs to go potty include sniffing the ground, circling, whining, or scratching at the door. Remember, puppies don't have a concept of right and wrong places to go. Accidents will happen, and it's important to remain patient and understanding during this learning process. It's our job to teach them. Consistent training and positive reinforcement are key to helping your puppy understand where they should go potty. This requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. Reward your puppy with treats, praise, and affection when they go potty in the right place. Over time, they will learn and develop good habits. 2 key elements contribute to successful potty training: crate training and a consistent schedule. These foundational practices not only help in housebreaking, but also in establishing a sense of security and routine for your new furry friend. A crate, when used correctly, becomes a safe haven for your puppy. It mimics the den-like environment that dogs naturally seek out, providing them with a cozy and secure space to retreat to when they need rest or a break from the hustle and bustle of the household. Dogs are naturally den animals and instinctively avoid soiling their sleeping area. This instinct can be harnessed to aid in potty training, as your puppy will learn to hold their bladder until they are let out of the crate. Choose a crate that's the right size, just big enough for your puppy to stand up, turn around, and lie down comfortably. If the crate is too small, it can cause discomfort and anxiety. Conversely, if it's too large, it won't serve its purpose effectively. A crate that's too large defeats the purpose, as they may eliminate in one corner and sleep in another. This can lead to confusion and setbacks in the potty training process. To avoid this, consider using a crate divider to adjust the size as your puppy grows. A consistent schedule is crucial for regulating your puppy's bodily functions. By feeding your puppy at the same times each day, you can predict when they will need to go outside, making it easier to prevent accidents. Establish regular feeding times and take your puppy outside immediately after meals and naps. This routine helps reinforce the connection between eating, waking, and going potty outside, which is essential for successful housebreaking. Additionally, frequent trips outside, especially after playtime and before bedtime, will further support your puppy's potty training progress. Learning to read your puppy's body language is essential for preventing accidents. Puppies often exhibit telltale signs when they need to go. These signs include whining, barking, circling, sniffing the ground, and squatting. If you notice any of these signs, immediately take your puppy outside to their designated potty area. Positive reinforcement is the cornerstone of effective potty training. When your puppy eliminates outside, lavish them with praise, treats, and a happy tone of voice. Timing is crucial. The reward must be given immediately after they finish going, not while they're still doing their business. This helps them associate the positive reinforcement with the desired action. Choose high-value treats that your puppy finds irresistible. This makes the reward even more enticing. Accidents happen. It's important to remember that puppies are learning. Never punish your puppy for accidents. Punishment only creates fear and anxiety, making them less likely to go in front of you in the future. If you catch your puppy in the act of having an accident, interrupt them calmly with a gentle, "Oops" or "No." Immediately take them outside to their designated potty area. If they finish eliminating outside, praise them and offer a reward. Clean up accidents thoroughly with an enzymatic cleaner to eliminate odors that might attract them back to the same spot. Potty training takes time and patience. Every puppy learns at their own pace. Some puppies pick it up quickly, while others may take a little longer. It's essential to stay consistent with your routine and remain patient throughout the process. Avoid getting frustrated or discouraged. Your puppy will sense your emotions, which can hinder their progress. Remember, consistency and positive reinforcement are key. Celebrate small victories and focus on the progress, no matter how small. Section 8. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Even with the best intentions, new puppy owners often make common potty training mistakes. Here are a few to avoid. Inconsistent schedule. Stick to a regular feeding and potty break schedule as much as possible. Delayed rewards. Reward your puppy immediately after they finish eliminating outside. Punishing accidents. Never punish your puppy for accidents. It creates fear and anxiety. Giving up too soon. Potty training takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if it takes a little longer than expected. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you'll set your puppy up for success. Section 9. Seeking professional help. When to call a trainer. If you're struggling with potty training or encounter persistent issues, don't hesitate to seek professional help from a certified dog trainer or behaviorist. They can assess your puppy's individual needs and provide tailored guidance. A professional can also help rule out any underlying medical conditions that might be contributing to potty training challenges. Remember, seeking help is a sign of responsible pet ownership. It demonstrates your commitment to your puppy's well-being. Section 10. Celebrating milestones, the joy of success. Potty training, while challenging at times, is ultimately a rewarding journey. Each milestone, from the first successful outdoor elimination to the first accident-free day, is a cause for celebration. Acknowledge and celebrate your puppy's progress. It reinforces their good behavior and strengthens the bond between you. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the process of watching your puppy learn and grow. Section 11. A well-trained pup, a happy home. A well-trained puppy brings immense joy and harmony to a home. Potty training, while just one aspect of raising a dog, lays the foundation for a strong and fulfilling relationship. By understanding your puppy's needs, implementing effective strategies, and remaining patient and consistent, you can navigate the potty training journey with confidence. Remember, the rewards of a well-trained pup extend far beyond a clean home. They pave the way for a lifetime of shared adventures and unconditional love.